Today I will show how to buy shares of Indutrade AB, a Swedish industrial group listed on CBOE EU with the ticker INDT.ST. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker INDT.ST to find Indutrade AB. Make sure the search result shows Indutrade AB on CBOE EU, so you select the correct listing. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange CBOE EU, and the INDT.ST ticker to ensure this is the right asset. To place an order, click Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can be confirmed. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A discrete link to eToro with more information is provided in the description below.